2025 will be the year of me. So I'm manifesting the year of me. I'm talking creating a logo, getting a vision board done, and even revamping my resume. So let's start this video because I am so ready. So first things first, I need a logo that screams, I'm a brand. And yes, I am self-branding this year. So in order to do that, I have to create a logo and I don't know how to. So I'm just going to use Picsart's AI logo maker to generate one for myself. I'll show you how easy it is. You're going to open Picsart Web and click on AI logo maker. Then you're just going to put in your business name, click on the types of logos you want to generate, put in your credentials, like what type of business you are, and boom. So here's the final logo. It's sleek, it's professional, it's totally me, and I love it. So you guys should try Picsart's AI logo maker just for funsies, or even rebrand yourself or your business. It's manifestation time, so we're gonna create a vision board for 2025 for all the amazing vibes we want to project. So let me show you how you can do that. So here's a little time lapse of the things I added in there. So I added in a bunch of text, I added some stickers, I added some photos that I found on Pinterest. I basically removed the background of those and everything looks so cute. Here's how my vision board turned out. I am so happy with it. I am going to manifest every single thing on this vision board. What would you put on your vision board? Leave us a comment because we'd love to know. Last but not least, we have a resume. So I want to pitch all of my amazing skills to potential new clients, but I need either a portfolio or a new revamped resume. So it kind of goes with my vibe and like all of my details. So Picsart's templates make life so much easier because we have a lot of options for resumes. So I'm going to go to Picsart Web and I'm going to pick something that I like and add in my details. This is very easy. You're just going to browse through the resume section in the templates and then basically choose the one you really like. From there, just change in the details, put in your credentials, and that's it. Done. Here is my final resume. It's time to impress my clients. My rebrand is complete, you guys. I am so happy with every little thing that I did. I have a logo now, I have a rebranded resume, and I have my 2025 vision board. It is time, guys. It's time to rebrand yourself. That's it for today's video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment below. And Happy New Year! 2025 is gonna be amazing. All right, bye!